Good afternoon. My name is Rosicela Medina Aguilar. In this video tutorial, I will teach you how to make a mango and pineapple dessert. To make this dessert, it's necessary to follow the steps that I will be mentioning and have the ingredients that are asked of them. First step, we must have a pineapple flour jelly of 140 grams, a liter of water, mango cut into squares, 2 steps, and a filled glass cup. Second step, we are going to boil a liter of water. After having the hot water, we are going to apply the pineapple jelly in powder and we are going to mix very well. The next step is to cut the mango into small squares. Since we have the mango cut into squares, we empty it into the glasses. Then we'll empty the liquid gelatin until the glasses are filled. After all the process done, we can see that the pineapple jelly is mixed with the mango. In the next step, we let the gelatin cool and put them in the refrigerator for 4 hours. Finally, we take out of the refrigerator and we can help. That will be all. Thank you.